So this question looks like it's going to be a translate word problem question, just given the length of the question, right? We look at longer, typically 4 or more line long questions as translate word problem, which just means that we want to stop at the end of each sentence and write down any quantitative information before moving on with the reading. So this question says, in Cherokee County, the fine for speeding is $17 for each mile per hour the driver is traveling over the posted speed limit. All right, so I'm going to just say fine equals 17 x, right? And x being number of miles over, right? And I won't write that down. So x just means number of miles over the speed limit. In Cherokee County, Kirk was fined $221. So 221 was Kirk's fine for speeding on a road with a posted speed limit of 30 miles per hour, right? So we know that the speed limit is not a part of our equation, but it is good to know that the limit, right, equals 30 mph. And Kirk was fined for traveling at what speed in miles per hour? Well, if 221 is equal to 17x, right? Again, I'm just using my translation of the first sentence to inform how I solve this question, right? So if the fine is equal to 17 times x, where x is the number of miles above the speed limit you are, now I'm told in the next sentence that the fine is 221, then I'm just replacing fine with 221, right? So to solve this, I'm going to divide by 17 on both sides, go to my calculator and see what is 221 divided by 17. I get 13, so I get 13 equals x. Now again, x is not the speed Kirk is going, right? So F is a trap answer. 13 is the amount of miles per hour over the speed limit that Kirk is going. So because the speed limit is 30 miles per hour and x equals 13, that means Kirk must have been traveling at 30 plus 13, or 43 miles per hour. And therefore, the correct answer here is choice H.